Hi there. This is Stephanie Miller, and this is the assignment for session 5, which was refining your voice. Really helpful in reminding and thinking through the importance of the tone and the mood that we set in the posts, that particularly as Christians, we want to be winsome, and so it's an important reminder. Too often in social media, the tone is proud or condescending, and can often be downright mean. And so this exercise to practice writing in an empathetic viewpoint with a position that we would otherwise perhaps disagree with was a helpful exercise. I teach literature, as I think I've mentioned in previous posts, and one of my favorites is To Kill a Mockingbird. And in that book, Atticus Finch, who's an attorney, says to his little daughter Scout, "You'll get along a lot better with all kinds of folks. You never really understand a person until you consider things from his point of view, until you can climb into his skin and walk around in it." We always have a lot of discussion about that quote, and I assign some writing assignments to help students think through the perspective that they want to present, and considering the argument then from the other side and writing about that. So I was excited to try it officially myself, and the thing I basically was reminded of is the importance of not slanting things in my direction based on the side that I agree with most. So by using language that was fair and objective, balanced, and doing due diligence and research to find out alternate perspectives, I think we can make our own arguments much better. I think the earlier discussion post using the Lectio Divina was really helpful to start this assignment out as well, because it reminded me that in Matthew 12:36 that we will give an account for every careless word that we speak, and we can assume as Christians that social media is included in that warning. Thanks a bunch.